What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to start your MacBook in safe mode, or in other words, how to boot up your MacBook into safe mode so you can fix a lot of bugs, software crashes, system errors, and a lot more in here. Basically, the safe mode allows you to turn on your MacBook in a specific mode where it only deals with essential stuff and third-party apps will not be able to be launched. It's only if you are having a situation, a problem, or facing an issue that doesn't allow your MacBook, for example, to turn on or something like that. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is turn off our MacBook if it's not already turned off, right? In my case, let me just tap here on shutdown. I'm going to shut down my MacBook real quick. And then you want to disconnect all the chargers that you do have in here connected into your MacBook. All the plugged in USB devices and stuff like that, get it disconnected. And next up, we're moving into the process into turning it into safe mode. Now, if you do have an Apple MacBook which has an M chip, for example, we're talking about M1, M2, M3 onwards, in order to turn into safe mode, you need to press and hold the power button continuously. Do not release it. Keep on pressing it until you see a disk in here on your screen. So once you see a disk, you're gonna release it. You're gonna see a disk in here and then a recovery menu. You wanna select the disk, and once you hover your cursor on top of the disk, which is on the left side, you'll see an option which says safe mode. Simply tap on it and you'll be boot up into safe mode. Now, if you have a much older MacBook like mine, it's a 2019 MacBook Intel chip, and any MacBook before M1 or any MacBook that was manufactured before 2020, this is the process. You tap once on power and then press and hold shift until it turns on. And this is how it goes. Tap once, press and hold shift as soon as you hear the chime. Okay, I'm pressing and holding shift. I'm not going to release my shift button and then release it right here. Next up, simply select the username you wish to log into and type in the password. Let me quickly type in my password. Once you're done typing in your password, simply tap on enter and immediately you'll be able to see your username logging in real quick. Just wait for a couple of seconds and let your MacBook do its thing. There we go. It now asks me to type in my passcode one more time. Let me quickly type it in. There we go. It's now logging in. I've just typed in my password for the second time. And here we go. We're now on safe mode. And this is how it looks like. You can now perform whatever you wish to perform. We're now running our MacBook in safe mode. In a few MacBooks, you do have a text in here at the top right corner in red saying safe mode. Let me just quickly lock it to see if it shows up, because it was showing up once I was about to log in. Let me log out from my username real quick. There we go. As soon as I log out, you can see here at the top safe boot written right here. I don't know if it's visible, but we do have safe boot in here. Let me type in my password again. There we go. I'm logging in one more time into my username, and here we are running our MacBook in safe mode one more time. So once you're done performing everything that you wish to perform on your MacBook in safe mode, the next thing you're going to do is simply restart your MacBook in order to remove it from safe mode. So in order to deactivate safe mode, all you need to do is simply shut it down and then turn it back on. Okay, so you can tap on the Apple logo at the top left corner, tap on restart, and you're good to go. Simply tap on restart and automatically your MacBook will quit the safe mode option and will turn back on normally. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.